Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how we can create stunning slides and avoiding boring slides like this. Instead, we try this one. If you see how it appears. How I made this, let's see. Just drag the image to here. Then from insert, I insert this shape. Bring it to half of the image. Then insert word art here. Select it, change it to Arial black and change it to size to now it's good. Then select the text and select the shape. Then for shape format, combine. Good. Now just select the shape. Then right click, format shape. Select no line. Then gradient fill. Select this one and change it to black. Then transparency, make it full. Then drag it to here. Good. This one also make like this. Now just bring the text or biography about Newton, Control V. That's my text. Good. Again, you can make it Arial black. Then I change its size to 24. Put it in center. Now just select the shape, Control, and this text, Control Group. And from animation, fly in, select it 0.75. Now we are ready. Just let's see how it appears. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe our channel. Have a nice time.